Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you the Jumpeak CarPlay wireless adapter. It's a 2025 upgraded device from wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay possibility. With here a really micro mini USB design for cars with wired CarPlay. This is a plug-and-play version, fast and stable connection for CarPlay with our Apple iPhone. Revolutionary mini design. That means 50% smaller. The ultra-compact and slim Jumpeak CarPlay wireless adapter sits almost flush with our vehicle USB port and blends seamlessly into the interior of the vehicle for a tidy, minimalistic look without cable clutters. With that improved, almost invisible adapter, we can easily upgrade our factory brand Apple CarPlay for wireless use and enjoy wireless access to the features like music, maps, calls, and more. And plug and play means with an instant automatic reconnection. No complicated return of the setup required. We simply pair it via Bluetooth and the wireless CarPlay adapter is ready to go. It automatically reconnects every time we start our car for a smooth, stress-free experience. Thanks to the latest Bluetooth technology, we can enjoy double the speed. CarPlay runs even before we go into the gear. And dual band maximum performance with a 2.4 GHz and a 5 GHz dual band chipset for 100% improved performance. The wireless CarPlay adapter offers a maximum stability and almost no delays. We enjoy lightning fast, smooth CarPlay for music streaming, navigation, and hands-free calls without interruption. And efficient heat dissipation. Overheating? Never again, baby. Thanks to the special side ventilation holes for an optimal convection cooling. This CarPlay wireless adapter reduces the temperature by 35% compared to fully enclosed designs. Even during long journeys or intensive use, the temperature remains stable and pleasant for a maximum safety and permanently optimal performance. Secure seat with intelligent angle design. Because the ergonomic conical back plate adapts to any USB port depth and ensures a secure connection. Proven by 500 hours vibration tests, it remains stable even on uneven roads. No more dangling cables, no more wobbling, and no more losing connections. And factory connected CarPlay vehicles only, okay? It's not compatible with vehicles that do not already support wired CarPlay. It works with the factory installed wired CarPlay systems. It supports the iPhone with iOS 10 and higher. It includes both USB-A and USB-C adapters to ensure a maximum of compatibility with the most USB ports in the cars. You can see here it fits on my Mercedes-Benz GLA in a glance. No prop for it. I used the additional part of USB-C to USB-A connector and plug and play. I plugged it into position, then make the Bluetooth pairing with the device. It fits in the front of the car. It stays there. It is so tiny. It's so small. It is already there every time. And if I come back to the car, it will automatically give us the support of a wireless CarPlay functions. And in the CarPlay, of course, I can use nearly everything, included Siri, for example. I can talk to Siri. I can use Siri. I can make a navigation using Siri. I can make a navigation using the touch screen, of course, or I can use the touch area in the center console to navigate through the menus with that. It's a small but powerful designed stuff here, which can add much more easiness for a car which comes with a wired CarPlay option to a wireless CarPlay option. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.
Hey Siri, erzähl mir einen Witz.
Wie viel wiegen ein Pferd und ein Hund zusammen? Ein Pfund.